Excuse me. I started to follow you, so as I was casually strolling with my friends, I had to completely ditch them because I thought you were very pretty, and I wanted to come and introduce myself. Hi. What's your name? Nice to meet you. I'm Leo. Leo, yeah. Like the zodiac sign, like Leonardo DiCaprio, like Da Vinci, all those good people.
Leo's using the direct approach here, which is recommended for younger pickup artists because it shows confidence and alpha male characteristics. However, as a caveat, if you're older, you come across as being a creep if you use a direct approach on a girl who's much younger than you. You'll have to use the indirect approach, like asking for directions or asking for somebody's opinion. Leo's direct approach is just simply saying hi, you're cute, and I want to meet you. This is my name, Leo. What is your name? And another thing that I like what he does is he helps the girl remember his name. He just doesn't say his name like my name's Leo. He adds a little story to that, like my name is Leo, and like Leonardo DiCaprio or Leonardo da Vinci. So that way it'll help the girl connect his name to a memory of hers of other people named Leo. That's a very good way to help the girl remember your name. Because if she doesn't remember your name, when you call her up or text her, she's a couple of days later, she's going to think, who the heck is that? And she's going to flake on you. So that's very, very important when you're running pickup to not just introduce yourself by telling her your name, but also tell a little story, a mini story that'll help her remember your name. Like, my name's Thomas. I always say things like, hey, I'm Thomas, the dude who asked Jesus if he was legit. That's a little story I tell about my name to help the girl remember my name in my pickups. And he does something similar, which is good.
What do you live here? Do I live here? Yeah. Are you visiting?
No, I live here.
Oh, yeah. I'm actually...
New York, so.
You're from New York. Like, recently you moved out here? Or
Yeah.
How do you like it so far? Really? Is it better than New York, you think?
Yeah.
Good answer. Yeah, I live like 25, depending on traffic, minutes. So like take the freeway all the way to the valley. I'm not sure if you know where the valley is.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I know what that is.
Yeah, so like where I live at the moment. Yeah.
What's your Instagram?
My Instagram? Why? Are you Insta famous or something? You're trying to pop out and oh, you gotta go? Are you in a rush?
Not really.
So you can't stay what's that? For two oh that's good. I thought it was a bird for a second. You can't spare 2 minutes to get to know a very charming Canadian guy like myself. 2 minutes? 2 minutes, there you go. To fail, or, depending on how it goes.
Here, Leo is using a concept in a pickup known as the false time constraint. Hey, it's just 2 minutes, so the girl thinks, oh, it's not that much of a time investment. I'll listen to him and see what he has. See what he's made of. Go ahead, impress me. So I also use a false time constraint in my pickups too. I always start the conversation with, hey, I just have a couple of seconds before I have to go to a meeting. But blah, 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 then I start my opener. So he's using a false time constraint here to lower the level of investment that the girl has to have to engage in conversation with him, so she will engage in conversation with him.
I don't have a pickup line whatsoever. I shouldn't use a pickup line, huh? That would, yeah. And then you have a story to tell to your friends, like, oh my god, this guy came up to me with like a really cheesy pickup line, and then now we're getting married, and like we have 4 kids. Yeah.
I walked away.
Yeah, really? You've done it before, I'm guessing. You've walked away from a... Damn. See? I'm a very intuitive guy, so I did listen to my gut, which is why I didn't use that pickup line. So, there you go. What's your background? I'm trying to...
Oh, my ethnicity?
Yeah.
I have no idea. All my family's dead.
Huh?
Yeah, I know. I think they're Bulgarian.
Bulgarian. Okay.
But other than that, I'm French, but other than that, I don't know.
Do you speak any other languages?
I speak Arabic.
Arabic. Do you speak Spanish?
Not really.
Un poquito? You know what that is? See, that's a good one right there. What time is it? So now you'll always know the time, even if you're in El Salvador or Mexico.
Yeah, you'll never get it back.
Yeah, for
We're
sure.
supposed to go to Mexico, actually.
Really? And what happened?
I don't know. I had a job.
You had a job? Gotcha. You know what we should do instead of Instagram? I will take your phone number, and then I will text you, and then you can be like, you know, this guy seemed pretty normal, seemed pretty cool. I'm going to reply his text, and then we go from there. Or you could be like, this guy was very weird. I don't know. I just got a weird vibe from him.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna reply his text, and then we go our separate ways forever and ever, and we never see each other again.
Okay.
Sound good?
Okay, I can give you mine.
Phone number? Yeah. What's my name?
Leo.
Okay. You passed the first test right there. Okay. Yeah.
Here, Leo tries to change the frame of the conversation from him trying to impress her to her trying to impress him. And she even admits that she was Shiite testing him to try to get him to try to impress her in a conversation. She says, "How now you're testing me now," which is, I think that's kind of funny.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Gotta be fast.
Gotta be fast. Oh, hold on. What was her name? I'm really bad with names.
Really?
One more time. I know, right?
My name is...
Why do you have to think about it? What? You're trying to give me a fake name now? No, my name is Miranda now. Like, I changed it 2 seconds ago.
No, Capricorn.
Oh my god.
No, it's
There you go. Okay. With the E. Look at you.
I know. Well, my last name isn't my real last name.
Okay. Did you change it to like something
Yeah.
exotic?
Something shorter. It's really long.
Smith.
No.
What is it?
Why? And my real last name's like... And then we changed it. Because it's easier.
Yeah, it's a lot easier especially for me. It would be a lot easier to enunciate. All right, what's your phone number?
Okay, I'm gonna say it really fast. You gotta remember. I gotta get my shot.
I might remember. I was gonna write it down.
14+.
You gotta slow down.
That's all you get.
424.
Fast enough.
No, I got it. All right, I'm gonna text you. Like I said, I'll text you right now actually, so you know it's me, and then you can just decide from there.
See if I see my phone.
Maybe it's your phone. Good.
Lost my phone.
It's right there. Let me see. Yeah, Leo. Boom. Texted you. Do you like coffee, tea?
I like all of it.
You like everything? So we're gonna go for a coffee date then, one of these days. A very romantic coffee date, of course. That's a good thing because he's a good-looking guy. So thank you.
Oh, yeah, no.
You're complimenting me on my looks, and I appreciate
Like
that.
a personality.
Personality?
No, I like him. He's nice.
He's a really cool guy. He's a very creative, artistic dude.
Yeah, he is.
Artistic genius.
Very
if I-
artistic.
Yeah. All right. Well, I will text you like I said. Hope you have a lovely rest of your day. I'm a very affectionate guy, so I'll give hugs.
I don't know.
You don't know what?
I'm going to affectionate girl.
I'm gonna turn you into one
Okay.
because I'm a very influential guy. So we'll do. How about we do?
Not yet.
We'll do El Night. Maybe on the first date. Maybe maybe on the second.
If you notice, she Shiite tests him several times within this short conversation. Like she tried to give him a fake name, she refused to hug him, etc., right? So, but Leo remains non-reactive. He plows on with the conversation, with interesting conversation, until she relents and gives him his phone number. So, plowing is a technique and a skill, because a lot of times many guys, especially new pickup artists, when the girl Shiite tests him a couple times, he'll lose his confidence and eject from the conversation. So if you're new, just remember, don't eject from the conversation. If she Shiite tests you, just take it in stride, smile, continue the conversation, plow, continue talking, keep talking, until she relents and gives you her phone number or agrees to go on a date with you.
But it's gonna happen eventually.
Wow, you put it really far ahead.
A what?
Like,
Part?
pretty far.
Yeah, I told you we're gonna have 4 kids and get married. Like, I already have our whole future. I already have our whole future set up for us.
Okay, see you later.
All right, bye.
Leo is my favorite young pickup artist. He has a cool, chill vibe, with bantering and flirting, coupled with solid technical game skills. If you're under the age of 30, you would do well to emulate him.